guys, what's up? It's Mr. Glock, and today I wanted to show you my brand new SMG electric airsoft gun. But before I want to get to that, I'm sorry that I haven't been filming in a while because I went to SS Airsoft 12th anniversary and had an awesome weekend. So I'm going to talk about that a little bit. So they had this ginormous army truck and they were throwing stuff like BBs, keychains, badges, all that kind of stuff, patches, stuff like that. And it was awesome. But alright, let's get into the shooting.